And
It
also,
is.
if you want to do a pro tip here, if you want to go above and beyond, is before you do that call, you're looking at their criterias. Maybe you look at, an indication to see what they like the most is how many times they viewed the photos. If they viewed the photos 250 times, guess what? They really
Yeah.
like that property. So what I
Hmm.
doing is going on to MLS. I'd be looking at those similar type of properties. So when you are talking to them, you do the general, saying that's a whole script we were just saying before, and then going into, hey, I don't know, it sounds like, sorry. So it sounds like when we've been chatting, it sounds like this is kind of what you're looking for. Did you take a look at, 123 Main Street, the one that they're looking the most on? Yes, I did actually. I really like that one. Oh, okay, cool. Well, just to let you know, I took a look at the market obviously before you called because I'm always scanning the market, and there's actually three or four more properties that are similar to this. I'm going to send this to you, and there's a few outside the area that you're looking for, but they do have a great price. So I'm going to send that to you, and you just let me know if you like them or not. Okay.
Hmm.
And that's it. Like, but look how much work. Like, I would appreciate that call if I was on the other end. Wow, someone's really, looking after me. Someone's really going above and beyond. Someone's really,
Hmm.
listening, right?
Hmm.
And I think the more that you do stuff like that, the better your chances are to have those clients as your own clients and build that relationship to a really good point where now you're just the agent. And anytime they see anything, regardless 6 months goes by and you haven't heard from them, they're going to send you a message.